The remarkable durability of Amana heat pumps. When choosing a heating and cooling system for your home, durability should be a top priority. A long-lasting unit not only saves you money on repairs and replacements, but also provides consistent comfort and peace of mind. Among the many HVAC brands available, Amana heat pumps stand out for their exceptional durability. Built with premium components and backed by industry-leading warranties, Amana heat pumps are engineered to deliver reliable performance for years, often decades. Heavy-duty construction for long-term use. Amana heat pumps are designed with rugged construction that can handle extreme temperatures and challenging conditions. The cabinets are made from heavy-gauge galvanized steel with a high-quality powder paint finish that resists corrosion, rust, and wear. This level of protection is especially beneficial for homes in humid or coastal regions where salt air can quickly degrade lower-quality equipment. Premium components, maximum reliability. Inside every Amana heat pump is a collection of high-performance components designed for endurance. Most models feature a high-efficiency scroll compressor, known for its quiet, smooth operation and long lifespan. These compressors are built to run efficiently for thousands of hours with minimal maintenance. Amana also uses advanced coil design and all-aluminum evaporator coils in many of its units, which are more resistant to leaks and corrosion compared to traditional copper coils. Industry-leading warranties that reflect quality. A great warranty is often a sign of a manufacturer's confidence in its product, and Amana leads the way. Many Amana heat pump models come with a limited lifetime unit replacement warranty, one of the best in the HVAC industry. This means that if the compressor fails while under warranty, the entire unit will be replaced, not just the component. That kind of long-term protection is rare and speaks volumes about the brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Durability is one of the most important aspects of any HVAC investment, and Amana heat pumps deliver on this front like few others. With sturdy construction, reliable components, and industry-best warranties, Amana heat pumps are built to provide years of dependable heating and cooling. If you're looking for a system that's made to last, Amana is a name you can trust.